How to download Emo app. So if you want to download Emo application, then first check your internet connection. Once you've checked, open up your Play Store or your App Store, go for the search bar and search for IMO. And once you've searched, here you will have your application, right? So simply tap on the application, and if you want to install this application, tap on install, and once you tap on install, it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application, but once it's downloaded, you can simply tap on open, which will be on the right side, and then you can sign up to your account or log into your account, and you can use your Emo application. So here you can see that it has been downloaded. Tap on open, and from here allow, and then again allow, and then enter your phone number and sign up or log into your account. So that's it. That's how you download Emo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.